What is going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. As you saw, full day of eating, and we're going on a fishing trip. I'm going to show you what it's like to do keto on the road, the Keto Road. Let's go. Alright guys, so before we go on a trip, I ate food. So some people like to fast when they go on road trips on keto, and you totally there. I tend to decide to eat because it keeps me from being snacky on the road. And also I have a lot of calories I have to get in because of the recovery from marathon training, and it's crazy how much food I eat. So today I've already had 12 ounces of bison, 4 tablespoons of sauerkraut, half a cup of some of the chocolate Swiss pie filling from Thanksgiving, which is like heavy cream, cream cheese, and cacao powder with some swerve in it. And then we're gonna grab some snacks. So let's get the essentials. All right, guys, we are in a Chick-fil-A driveway. We are on our way to Oklahoma. Where are we going? Durant, Oklahoma.
Fishing.
We're gonna go.
Texoma.
We're going fishing. Where are we fishing?
Lake Texoma. We're gonna get striper.
Striper. I'll put an image of a striper here, but it's gonna be fun. As y'all saw earlier, we got the keto brick, we got the Rowdy bar, which I already ate. Rowdy bar, by the way, I'm trying to work with them. I might have a code for y'all soon. If I do before this video is published, I'll put it in the link in the description. But yeah, so gotta drive, gotta be safe. So I'll talk to y'all when we get there.
What in tarnation?
What's up, guys? Huh?
My bad.
No, you're good. I don't care. Hello, brother. Say what's up. Yeah, I didn't see you. You like the mask? Peace up. Are you hiding? You're good. Okay. Anyways, what is going on, guys? All right, so we just got to the casino. So we're staying in a casino tonight. But tomorrow.
I watched all of the keto, the intro. You didn't even do it.
What's going on? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. You know why? Because this isn't the first video in this vlog. I did that this morning.
Did you?
Yes. Every vlog. Anyways, fishing will happen tomorrow. Tonight, I think we're going to get dinner. I might get some video footage for you guys. I might not. I don't know. But yeah, we're in Oklahoma right now. Also, I don't know if any of you have struggled with nicotine, but this is really cool. I found this in the garage. I thought it was gum, but it's actually caffeine, and like it's to help people quit dipping, which I think is awesome that people are coming up with so many ways to help people. Because I bought it, I can't get a refund on it, so just kept it. But it's awesome to see things like that. I don't know. I like, my mom used to smoke and stuff, so like it's cool to see that like people like find ways to get off of it. So anyways, cool thing. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Alright, so real quick, my brother showed me something about all my coffee with Coach Johnson. If you don't follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Check it out. This is hilarious.
You may have the Keto Road. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. What is going on? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. The Keto Road. What's up? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. What is up, guys? Getting in a solid gym. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the show. Bro, my hair's a mess. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. Good morning, good morning. It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. What's going on? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road.
Alright guys, we just woke up. It is 5:52 in the morning. How'd you sleep?
Oh, I didn't.
Last night was crazy. It was crazy. But we got some power naps, yes? Power naps? Yes, power naps. Power naps. So we are headed to the valet to get on the boat. Alright guys, we're on the boat. This guy's boat. What's your name again?
Sparky.
Sparky.
Sparky the man.
I like it.
Bear.
I like
look
it.
like that guy.
We're going out on this.
Wonderful world. I mean, wait, what's it called?
It's cold.
Is it cold? It is really cold. What's going on, guys? All right, so it is 8 in the morning. We're on our way to the fitness center to go get our run in, our long run for the week on the treadmill and work out, do our chest workout. A couple things. So I was here, and I want to get more into like my faith and stuff. There's other YouTuber, she just kind of mingles it well, and I've been kind of hesitant, but I don't know. I really want to start talking about it on here. So we're at the Kuchata Casino. And it was so interesting, right? So like my dad is somebody who's gambled a lot, and so I've always had a bad taste in my mouth for gambling. I've always like, oh, it's so wrong. And I found through my maturity as a pastor. So for those of you that don't know, I do youth ministry. I'm a youth pastor at a church plant in Katy, Texas. And I had to realize, so like I had a lot of fun this weekend, and none of it has brought conviction or bad spiritual feelings. Or condemnation, right? There was no love for money. There was no addiction. There was no unwise moves of spending money not needed to be spent. I just spent time with loved ones, and I had a good time, and handled it in a mature and controlled way. I exerted self-control, which is a fruit of the Spirit. So that was a fun maturity line that I've been able to develop, and because of it, I got to spend time with my dad and have conversations with him that I've wanted to have for a long time. So that was good. Anyways, we're on our way to the gym. I'll show you my run, and then we'll get after it. What is going on, guys? Alright, so it is 7 a.m. the next day. As you can see, we are back home. The trip was so much fun. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed the montage of the fishing. I hope you enjoyed just a video of just me getting out and showing you my life. If you like videos like this, if you just want like to just see my life and just be a part of that in that unique way, not always just super education type based stuff, let me know. And I would love to be able to start doing vlogs like that more often. I love you guys. Wait out for the next video. Until next time.